Hello everyone, this is John Lomeda vlog and welcome to my channel. Today's video guys, I'm going to cook another simple dish, tinola, chicken tinola. So guys, before I continue this video, for those who are not subscribed yet, please subscribe, like and share this video. So guys, I have here the chicken wings. I'm going to use the chicken wings. I have the vegetables, the chili leaves. What do you call this leaves? Green chili leaves. Okay. And also I have here the zucchini. I have the onion, the ginger. I have the garlic and the green chili. I prepared this one before. Okay, so guys, come with me and let us enjoy cooking. First thing we do is to saute the ginger. Going to saute the ginger. After that one, we will put the onion. We will saute it together. We need to saute the onion, garlic, and the ginger. Saute it together after maybe 3 minutes. We will put now the garlic. The smell now, even on the garlic and the onion, the smell is fantastic. My technique for saute the garlic and the onion, I saute it in a low fire. And after this, we will put now the chicken. The chicken is ready now. I will put the chicken. We'll mix it together. We will leave this one for 5 minutes. Let us simmer the chicken. Let the flavor of the chicken come out. Guys, the chicken is already sauteed with the onion, garlic, and ginger. We will now add some salt, pepper, we will put now water. You know guys, in this I like to put more pepper because I want something spice. You see the chicken is already tender. Now it's time for me to put in the water. We will let this one boil for about 5 to 10 minutes, so the flavor of the chicken will come out. You can see. So we will just leave this one for a moment. We will wait until the soup getting taste and getting boiled. You can see it's already boiling. I put already the vegetables, guys. After we put the vegetables, we will still simmer in a low fire. We will 5 minutes. After 5 minutes in a low fire, the soup is ready. So what's the use why I put in the low fire? It's because I want all the ingredients of the tinola, all the ingredients will come out. So the soup, it will be get tasty. Okay? The taste of the real chicken broth and the vegetables, it will be too much tasty if we boil and leave it for 5 minutes in a low fire. So guys, after 5 minutes, the soup, it will be ready. So everyone, tinola is finished. It's ready to serve and ready to eat. Look, it's very nice. Enjoy eating, guys. So guys, thank you for watching my video. We are already done for another simple dish of chicken, the chicken tinola. Hope you like it, guys, and let us enjoy. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye guys.